fire. Oh, I got him inside the hole.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
Left side of the fire. I don't.
Hell yeah. See it.
Middle frog's been gone.
Yeah, barrels.
Oh, he's got him a sniper rifle, don't he? Oh shit, it looked like he really died, didn't it? He went down. I guess he just ducked.
Yeah, he does. I see he's good.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's his other one? One of the top now.
Alright. Oh shit. Hit. Damn, there's too many people. I need to take a piss. Too many people respawning. Hell yeah. We're gonna make it.
You want to try and make a push for this bottom flag?
Yeah, this guy right here on the corner, as they're coming down through there, he's been getting them. He's taking out a lot of them. Standing right there with his sweatshirt on.
Yeah.
So I mean, that lake water, man. There's a bunch of them headed up this way. You can see them through the woods, like a whole line of them. Here he comes.
Oh, we already got bottom flag?
There goes a guy. Wooden bunker in front of us. The one that looks like it's made out of logs. You see him in a minute. Oh, his gun's sticking out this side. He's gonna ambush them if they run up.
Everybody's going to the bottom. Where are they at? Watch out, bottom's getting pushed!
You got one behind this, oh well, hell, you're a ref.
Yeah. You can do whatever, but unless it's a problem, I'm not going to deal with it.
Yeah, hell yeah. I think we're gonna be pushing on. I'm gonna go piss while everybody's walking that way.
Oh man.
It's a muddy mess.
I freaking fell.
Did you?
I freaking wiped out so hard.
Hell yeah. I mean, that's good, man. As long as you didn't get hurt. Hell yeah.
What?
Completely reload.
Oh, shitty.
God, people are like dying out there.
How's it going?